Sir Mark, wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday from Viva Las Vegas. We love you. We love your work. Silver Voice, #1, best in the business. Happy birthday.
Go, Viva Voice!
Go ahead.
What's up, Silver Voice? Happy birthday, man. Sana okay ka lang dyan. And hope you'll have many more of those, no? Siyempre, lalo na very successful ka naman na. So, yun. Hope to see you soon. Para magkaroon tayo ng banding ulit. Yun lang. One love, good fucking vibes. Ingat, man.
Special shout out nga pala kay Silver Voice. Mark Yao, brother, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maabot mo lahat ng dreams at goals mo sa buhay. Siyempre, proud ako sa lahat ng achievements mo. Yun, sana tuloy-tuloy lang. At yun, nandito lang kami, motivated family, tropa, influencer sa likod mo. Yun, support ka namin palagi. Enjoy the day. See you soon. Yun, happy birthday ulit, brother.
Yon, happy birthday sa'yo, Silver Voice. Tol to my man, gang.
Yo, binabati ko nga pala ng happy birthday ang totoong angas ng Pinas na si Silver Voice TV. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day, brother. Yeah, let's go!
Twin brother Sir Mark, happy birthday. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Mark. Happy birthday, Silver Voice. Woo! Knucklehead.
Mark, we're in Vegas. Heard it's your birthday. Give us Silver Boys, let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, woo! Mark Montoya.
Mark Montoya, you're the man, bro.
Woo!